Hey all studious minds. Warmest greetings to all of you. Time again to burn the midnight oil and write a research paper? Well, while you document a research, what definite approach do you take to draw the conclusion? Just summarizing the entire study? Or simply paraphrasing certain arguments? And do you even unnecessarily stretch the conclusion only to make the paper fat? Then maybe these are the causes that prevent your paper to get a higher grade. As opined scholars, a research paper conclusion is like the finishing touch to the study. If gone wrong, the knowledge and proficiency you have shown throughout can fall flat. Willing to know how this finishing touch can be made fine? Check the effective tips Jeff share in here. As you are viewing the video, remember to like it and subscribe to my channel. As the very first step, know what to write. This is a place to reveal what you have learned and how well you understand the subject in discussion. But in doing so, do not go on talking. Develop the conclusion in a sleek and direct-to-point manner. 2 to 3 paragraphs are enough. Also upheld the most important arguments of the study, but do not paraphrase them. Provide an apt sketch for each. Try to persuade the readers to undertake an action over the question in discussion by tactically highlighting appropriate expert opinions, real-life scenes and personal experiences. In relation to this, give own views over how to take an action. Use the concluding part as a platform to synchronize all the conflicting thoughts depicted in the research into one whole and reinforce own thesis statement. Do not forget to mention any alterations made to the latter. Be sure to emphasize the value of your research with respect to the related social and world contexts. Show readers what they are learning from it. Be sure to portray the negative findings as scopes for further study on the subjects. At no point sound confusing or anxious. The 2 to 3 paragraphs should clearly reflect your expertise over the topic. Pursue these steps and guarantee that a grade. For learning more of such hacks and simplify own student life, click bell and never miss a latest video. Thank you for watching. Wish you all the very best. Hope we meet soon.